In this activity, we are numbering daily routine activities from 1 to 10 in chronological order. So we're starting from the earliest, the first activity, and we're ending on the latest or the last activity. So we can look at a couple of things. We can look at the logical order of activities, and we can also look at the times which are provided. So if we have one piece of information, if we have two pieces of information, we don't need to understand every word because we can order it logically or we can order it time-wise. So we're going to start with the first activity, which is me despierto a las 7:15. So we have a logical order of activities. I wake up, that's obviously the first thing you do, and then we have a sensible time for this to happen, 7:15, so we can be pretty confident that that's the first activity. For our second activity, we're going to look at a keyword, me levanto y me ducho. I get up and I have a shower. There's no time provided, but we can see that that's the next logical thing to happen, so that's going to go as number 2. Now, there are 3 sentences here which mention breakfast, so we're going to have to be really specific here, and we're going to have to focus on some other keywords in each sentence. We're going to start with the keyword antes, which means before. So before having breakfast, I put on my uniform. So that's activity 3. We then have desayuno. I have my breakfast. So that's going to come next. That's activity number 4. We're then focusing on the keyword después, after. So after having breakfast, I brush my teeth and my hair. So that's activity 5. So for activity 6, we have a logical activity and we also have a time, a las 8, at 8 o'clock. So at 8 o'clock, I leave the house. That's our next activity, number 6. For number 7, we have another time which can help us out. We have a las 8:30, at 8:30. And what happens now? They arrive at school, activity number 7. For activity number 8, we're going to logically choose the next time, which is 3:30, 3:30. And this is when this person leaves school and gets home, number 8. For activity number 9, we have a time and an activity. We have a las 4, at 4 o'clock. They are getting home and doing their homework, number 9. Now we only have one sentence left, so we just need to check that it does make sense, because if we've made a mistake earlier, we could have a few things in the wrong order. So let's look at the time, las 9:30. Now, of course, that means 9:30. However, it could mean 9:30 in the morning, so let's just read the information to check that it's something that happens at 9:30 at night. We have cenamos y me acuesto. So we eat our dinner and I go to bed. So we can logically say that, yeah, that's the last activity, therefore number 10 in our sequence.